I'm going to do a quick room tour of my room at the Wakefield Mill Inn and Spa. I have my own room, my parents have theirs. It's a little bigger, but overall, the decor here, very nice. Some awesome paintings here. I'll get up close. I love the light that comes in from the window this morning. Almost woke me up before my alarm. The bed was super comfy. The pillows got a little flat later in the night, but overall, I was a big fan. They've got coffee here, and they have your TV, your regular hotel accoutrements. The floors are hardwood and a little bit creaky, but overall, didn't bother me too much. We were a little confused because we ordered a charcuterie board and just saw biscuits until we came over to the fridge, which has an honor bar here, and we saw the rest of our charcuterie board in there. So here in the bathroom, they had some flooding, so they were a little concerned about possible sediments or stuff in the water. So I was a little nervous about showering, but it worked out all fine, didn't have any issues. So that is my experience in the room so far. One last thing, actually. I have an extra bed, not really sure why, and during your stay here and while you're sleeping, you'll probably hear kind of a symphony of humming sounds from the AC or whatever else is going on in the night. I'm not really sure, but it made it a little tough for me to sleep here night one. So that's my room tour here and overall experience, and we will see you next when we see you.